Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our in-depth review of the Lenovo Legion 5, where we will be examining the motherboard and hard drive. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the components. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the device. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components of the laptop. Now let's focus on the motherboard. The motherboard is the heart of your laptop, connecting all components together. Inspect it for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt areas or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it may be time for professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, we will examine the hard drive. The Lenovo Legion 5 typically comes with either an SSD or an HDD. Locate the hard drive, which is usually secured with screws. Carefully unscrew and remove the hard drive from its bay. If you are upgrading or replacing it, ensure that you have the correct specifications for compatibility. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once you have completed your inspection and cleaning, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the hard drive back into its bay and secure it with the screws. Next, align the back panel and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws at the base of the laptop to secure the back panel. If you're considering repairs or upgrades, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. After reassembly, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check the BIOS settings to confirm that the hard drive is recognized. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, making the process as convenient as possible for you. In conclusion, maintaining your Lenovo Legion 5 is essential for its longevity and performance. Regular inspections and cleaning can prevent many common issues. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.